Putting the dual car radio in my Toyota. Alright, we're here putting the radio in. I got my little plastic tools to pop these up with. And these work pretty good. Pop both sides up.
Stop figuring anytime you want.
Doing what?
He's at.
Oh, he's figuring. Oh.
You can tell me he can stop anytime he wants to.
Yeah, I understand that.
I can make you a deal on a 61 Buick.
Surely you wouldn't do that, Scott. Not after all the love and attention I've given this truck.
Make it happen. No offense, but I hope I don't see you for a while.
Nothing personal.
Nothing personal. Doug, I'm going home. You have a good evening.
You too.
Easily distracted by beautiful women, so
Alright, well there you see the radio is in. I had to haul this out. I tried to film it, or I could video record it, whatever. But I had my landlord was here, and the heating and air conditioning guy was here, and it was a little bit difficult, and I wasn't getting a lot done, so I just scrapped that part of it. And basically, it's so simple. I got these tools here that you just fit in there like that, pry those up, pop that up, lean this over, do the same thing. There's a screw behind here that has to come out. The rest of that just pops out, and the same thing with the top, pops out. I did get this fixed. I found out why it was like that. When he put that in there, he didn't put it in all the right way, so now it's in the right way. I like it. I like it a lot. And like I said, the Bluetooth works great. You gotta switch to mode. And it's not paired because, well, I don't know why. Unless it's just not on. And it's not on. Let's try to turn the Bluetooth off maybe. Let me get it set up and I'll bring you back. Alright, I have that working now. That's Bluetooth. I had basically turned the key off on the car and then turned it back on. It connected right up, so I don't know exactly why, but that's the way it works.
This ain't no disco. It ain't no country club either. This is
LA. Oh, this must be the end of my playlist. Oh, no, there it goes.
Any way you want it, it's the way you need it. Any way you want it. Sitting on the park bench. Hey, baby. Choo-choo train.
Alright, well, I've played enough of this. I think it's safe to say it works pretty good. I'm happy with it. And so that's about all you need to be, right? It looks good in there, and like I say, it works good. And I do have the radio stations set now to where I can get those, switch those.
mostly cloudy with a chance of storms and a high of 89. Tomorrow night, storms may continue with a low of 71. For a complete forecast, community event.
I like it. It works good. And so that's it for this. And I don't know how much of that I'll cut out, but I'll cut out some of it. I just wanted to show you that it is working in the car and it is installed. And oh, you know what I forgot to do? Oh, you guys are gonna love this. There's oh geez, there are 4 bolts that hold this radio in. I don't know if it's even necessary. That thing's in there tight. But there are 4 bolts that go in, 1, 2, 3, 4 in there, and they're laying here. I got in such a hurry to hear this thing. I'll put them back in there eventually. I'm not going to do it right now. And one thing I didn't get to try is this auxiliary input. I did try the USB. It worked fine. So we'll have to try that one day. And I'll have to figure out what the rest of the buttons do. And I figured out the change in the settings. You just tap the tuning button, or not the tuning, but the volume control, and it brings up the bass, the treble, the loudness, the fade up, balance, and EQ. All those are adjustable, and I've got it adjusted pretty good now. So, all right, that's going to do me. You guys have a wonderful evening. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you.